What's up, everyone? Here on YouTube. Today we're at the plantations.
And we're gonna
trick-or-treating.
We're scouting out for the penis monkey.
This monkey at 3 a.m.? Question mark?
No!
Look at these police officers. Look at these police. I'm going to beat them.
They can't take my milk. I can't take my milk. Oh no.
The penis monkey! The penis monkey!
He's back.
The penis monkey is inside me now. I told him, come inside me. I don't know what to do. The penis monkey came inside me. Mark Simpson! The penis monkey came inside of me. I don't know what to do, guys. It might release. I don't know what to do. I'm scared, guys.
To be continued.
Like and subscribe or this man will come and you. So subscribe for the full video.